Okay, our session is on recording now, and I want to officially welcome everyone to this session. And just like uh, the title of the session, all of us already know we're starting internship is for us to officially get this internship started. You know, this internship is different from the other type of internship in that this is the first time we are trying to create a work environment for prompt engineers, unlike project managers, business analysts, that is very common. So we already know what the work environment look like. So, but this one is we're creating something new. We want to be part of the developers developing this and promoting um, this career path or this role. So it's important we learn how to do work as prompt engineers in organizations we might be finding ourselves. It's equally our duty to promote this. It's already promoted, but we need to keep pushing it so that it will get to people that do not really understand what it is and what we do. I know some early adopters of accounting. Some people have to go out of their way to promote accounting profession in different way. I remember people like Akintola Williams, Deloitte. These are the people that promoted accounting profession so much. We started even having chartered accounting and the rest of them. So we are going to be the pioneers to start promoting this because it's highly needed, but a lot of organizations do not even know how to get started. So the way we promote it, we are going to be promoting it, writing articles, publication, having summits, and inviting corporate bodies in our summit, in our workshop, conference, and things like that to promote. And the way we are doing that, so we are selling ourselves as a group, individually, as a community. So that's why it's very important for us to be serious in this um, internship. We're developing something that's not been officially developed. Anybody who is saying you they have been, it's a lie. If we decide that we are going to have a chartered institute of AI, this is we are going to start it. Anything we are starting, we need to start it, and we'll have an infrastructure, we'll have a community to which we can start this. So that's why I am very excited about this. Okay, without wasting time, I've got an internship workbook and a project brief on what we plan to achieve. And as we are working, we continue to fine tune whatever we are doing, continue to refine it till we get what we want to achieve. So let me share my screen. So I'll go through the workbook, the handbook, the internship handbook, which I will be uploading in this platform immediately after this meeting, and you can have your copy. So under this this handbook is a project brief. So the handbook goes this way with a welcoming message, and the title is Internship Handbook, AI Prompt Engineering Internship at ZikoraAI. Welcoming message. Welcome to ZikoraAI Prompt Engineering Internship Program. This internship is designed to simulate a real corporate environment where you will design, test, and deliver prompt-based solution for AI agents. You will gain hands-on experience with expertise, prompt engineering, working in Scrum-style team while building a portfolio-ready project. At ZikoraAI, you will not just learning. You are creating the future of AI in Africa and beyond. Internship structure is going to be 1 month, and the first week it should be ideation and planning, kick-off workshop, introduction to prompt engineering in enterprise workflow, domain task selection, where are going to be choosing one use case, kind of meeting assistant, data QA, or chatbot, or marketing, etc. We're going to choose one use case. Squad formation, we are going to be forming a team. We've already done that already, but we're trying to fine-tune it, because I want a situation where if we are a group, we already have a general group where wherever you are, if you are in US, Canada, UK, Australia, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, anywhere you are, this our general platform have unified us. But for us to get the best, we need to be, close. Proximity is equally important, where we can have people within the group coming together to have something meaningful, outdoor activities and things like that. So that's why I'm trying to readjust it for us to have a location-based group. And it's going to be, like we say, it's going to be remote, Scrum type of Scrum-like. So like it's a group of 4 to, let's say, 10. Well, let's see how it's based on. I will make final decision when I see the list. When the list comes out, I'll then see how far we can break it down, or we can just work on it like that. But that is the purpose, for us to have a Scrum kind of experience. Most of us here are already project managers and business analysts and data analysts as well. So if we have a situation where some of us do not understand, like Scrum or things, we can just have a brief workshop to explain such concepts. So in the first phase, we're going to be looking at delivering project charter, and which will come with scope, goal, and tasks. And then we start a prompt design and prototype. So we're going to look at building prompt templates for each step of our workflow. Test design pattern like tree of thought. We've already, all these things, we've done them like tree of thought. We've done them React iterative self-acts. We are going to be designing templates for using all these frameworks. And then language chain and flow wise, these are things we'll talk about, like how to chain prompts. So we're going to be chaining prompts in our templates. So it's still part of the way we are going to be creating and chaining. And then at the end of the day, we'll come up with a strong template that is highly reusable and industrial ready for action. And the deliverable will be prototype demo of text prompts, image prompts, and video prompts with its output as well. And final demo, we are going to submit project report, prompt system plus outcome, deliver live presentation. Each group will have opportunity to come and talk about the prompt templates and the use cases they've worked on. So they need to walk us through, and we'll receive feedback. And then final internship showcase. So it's 3 weeks, but I said 1 month. It should be 1 month. I created this within 3 weeks so that we'll have a buffer in case we don't, if we can't finish it within 3 weeks, then we'll have at least 1 month, 1 week buffer contingency plan. So we'll have roles and responsibilities. Every intern will act both as an individual contributor and as a team player. As a project manager, as Scrum Master, facilitating sprint events, happy and also many of us are Scrum project managers and BAs. So some of us who have these skills will be part of us. They are still going to be prompt engineers as well, and Scrum Masters, project managers as well. Business analysts as well. Some of us who are prompt, all of us are already prompt engineers. But some of us who have special skills like BA, you are equally going to be acting in this capacity. Like business analysts, developers, data analysts, and digital marketers. So we are going to be acting in these capacities as well. So that is how it's going to be. So it's going to be a cross-functional team, and delivery routine, like I said, is going to be in agile format, Scrum, where we're going to be having daily stand-up, which we know how daily stand-up for those, some of us who have done a part of our project management class. So where we look at what we've done, what we did the previous day, what we are going to do that particular day, and any challenges we're having. And we are going to be planning our sprint, defining tasks and assigning responsibilities, and peer review midweek, share outputs for feedback, and showcase Friday, where we present our work. Deliverables and templates. Key deliverables. Prompt system document. Each steps explain the role, inputs, tasks, and constraints. Output sample, text, images, video, and dashboard. So we are going to be creating prompts, prompt doc template, and the output of every prompt, and then final presentation. So that's what we're going to do. So we are going to provide as many templates as possible, and tools and platform. So we have tools we are going to use. Large language models will have OpenAI, and it's ChatGPT, Cloudy, Gemini, the Meta AI. So we are going to explore as many AI platforms, not only OpenAI. We are going to explore, compare our work across. At times I'll do a work on ChatGPT and I'll try to refine it using Google Gemini, and the Google Gemini will then take over. So we're going to be, it's our duty to be able to educate our clients on the top AI at any moment. If any of our clients say today, yes, me and my team or my company is trying to adopt, because it's a lot of money for company to be paying for different AIs. If they want to adopt an AI platform they want to be using, and then they consult you as a professional, you should be able to give them a professional advice on which one to use based on their need and their expectation. These are part of the things we need to, and that's why we need to have good experience of different platforms. Because this platform, they are solutions. They are the modern enterprise solution, just like we used to have all these modern enterprise solution like ERP, CRM. This is the modern enterprise solution. And I'm looking at where all these AIs, just like what we are doing at Zikora, they themselves will start building all these enterprise applications as well within the AI platform. It's possible. I see it's coming. Like we can see Google Gemini, they will have their own Google Gemini ERP. You see ChatGPT CRM on things like that. So I see it coming, and this is part of the things we are doing at ZikoraAI, which is orchestration of agents, trying to bring so many agents together, giving each agent the opportunity to professionalize in one particular role and equally coming together as a team to deliver complex operations. So tools here, we have prompt chaining, we have language chain, we have Flowwise. We can equally use general ChatGPT Pro for language prompt chaining. Collaboration, we are going to use normal, we are going to use Jira, Google Workspace. We are still considering whether we are going to use all these ones we listed, but I'm still thinking of Trello, or we stick to FreeCamp. So I've not made final decision. Prototype and media. So we're going to equally use some of these prototypes like Canva, Midjourney, Runway, Vue. Some of us already have accounting Vue. And data analysis, and those who are in data analysis, have Excel, SQL, Power BI. Some of them already integrated. So we'll see how we can use all these tools. Then assessment and grading, your performance will be assessed based on this criteria: prompt engineering quality, 40% for clarity, reusability, and creativity, team collaboration, 20% participation and communication, prototype and the output quality, relevance should be one of it, reusability and accuracy, final presentation, the way team, how professional the team delivered is going to be, counting, delivery, and clarity. So And internship outcome. By the end of the internship, you will be able to build a portfolio-ready prompt engineering project, master enterprise prompt pattern and training techniques, gain real-world agile team experience, and Zikora internship certificate, and be ready for AI-related roles such as prompt engineer, BAPM with prompts with AI focus, data analyst with AI focus, and AI product manager. Code of conduct: share only professional outputs with prompts and templates. So this one, we are going to be coming and be flooding our platform with irrelevant objects. Is not going to be allowed. We are going to be highly professional. Respect team rules and deadlines. Give constructive feedback during peer review. No plagiarizing. All prompt must be the team's work. And yeah, that's it. So this brought us to this project brief. The project brief from what we've just discussed from our handbook is going to be designing and delivering prompt pattern template for multi-agent AI system. Project coordinate, project sponsor is ZikoraAI, Africa best AI powered chatbot platform, and founded by Charles. Background and context: as AI adoption grows, businesses increasingly relying on generative AI agents to automate tasks, improve productivity, and deliver innovation at scale. Prompt engineering, the art of crafting effective AI instruction, is a critical skill for leveraging large language model in enterprise environments. Zikora is running this prompt engineering internship to give participants real-world experience in designing and deploying prompt system for voice to text, text to video, text to text, text to images, and more. Project objectives: enable interns to build reusable prompt libraries for AI agents in different modalities, apply enterprise prompt design pattern like React, tree of thought, iterative, and serve as chain. Deliver functional prototype that solves real-world business challenge. Gain hands-on agile experience, simulating work inside an AI product company. Scope: internship deliverable, prompt design document, create prompt template for voice to text agent, meeting assistant, transcription tools, etc., text to video agent, marketing video and explainers, text to text, chatbots, summaries, research assistant, text to images, creative design, campaign banner. We might add more templates too. So this is not, we can expand it and be adding more templates as we progress, but this is the minimum templates we are going to work on. Workflow design: build multi-step prompt chain using ChatGPT Pro language chain or Flowise. Demonstrate chunking, refeeding, and modular prompting. We've done all these things. Prototype and demo: produce sample outputs, video ad, images, dashboard, chat responses, present a live demo showing how prompt drives automation. Internship simulation in Agile methodology, where we are going to work in practical squad, PMBA dev data marketing. Conduct sprint planning, daily stand-up retrospective, deliver final internship showcase, and timeline 1 month. So within the 1 month breakdown, this is how it is. And 2 here, this is it. And success criteria, which is important, is that at the end of this internship, at least 3 reusable prompt templates per intern. So not a team. At least one person should be able to create 3 reusable templates of your own. So like I say, we are going to be contributing as an individual and as a team. As an individual, you must be able to submit up to 3 of your works, your templates. This is very important because we are trying to create something new. We're equally going to open account in GitHub where we are going to be submitting our prompt templates for people who are interested. So we are going to be contributing to the AI community. So people who are interested in our prompts can go there and actually download our prompt, and they can use it for their professional any way they want to use it. And it's going to be, your name is going to be referenced. And even in 100 years, it is going to be a record that we have been contributing to AI community. So that is one other thing that I need to add here, GitHub. So I might be requesting everybody to have a GitHub account where you need to, and equally, it's going to be requested, we have to equally be making each team or a person need to be creating articles for publication in LinkedIn and other platforms like Facebook. Yeah, we need to promote, we need to show our contribution. We're going to add it here as well. So, a working multi-step prompt chain, high quality sample output from the prompt you created, demonstrate business impact. So how your prompt can save time, accuracy improved, automation enabled, and create documentation presentation for stakeholders. Risk and mitigation, capture some risk here, such as risk 1, poor design prompts lead to irrelevant output. So is a risk. So mitigation, apply best practice, role assessment, context, and constraints. Another risk, overdependent on single tools, such as everybody might want to go and use ChatGPT. We have a big ecosystem. The big ecosystem is called AI. So we are not going to limit ourselves to any particular AI. We are here for discovery. We're trying to discover the best. We're trying to promote this market. We're trying to develop this market. So we're trying to limit ourselves to only one machine. We're not helping the industry. We're trying to build. Okay, mitigation encourage multi-tool testing like Cloudy, Gemini, Flowwise, not only ChatGPT. Another risk, limited teamwork in remote setting. So like I said, every remote, that's why I've already taken care of this by making sure that, the first group we created, all of us were barely can work remotely. But in a situation where we can try to work remotely, kind of hybrid is going to, because we're trying to get to meet as well as professionals and network. And expected outcome, by the end of the internship, interns will deliver portfolio-ready AI prompt project, master enterprise prompt engineering techniques, contribute to ZikoraAI library of reusable AI agent templates, and to the global, not only to Zikora, but we equally need to contribute to this global AI ecosystem by going to contribute to GitHub, where people can come and download our templates and reuse it the way they want. Gain real-world agile internship experience. So this is what is expected of us in this internship. It's going to be short and it's going to be hot. Yeah, if you have questions, we can still have your questions. We still have a pocket of classes which I want to. It's going to be as well in our internship. These are things we can visit and finish up, like this prompt debugging. I want us to revisit it, so we'll treat it again. Debugging and prompt chaining tools like language chain. We need to revisit all those, but it's just like a pocket of them, so it can't stop us at achieving our goal. We're going to, just for you to know where we are at every point. So this doesn't mean the classes is over, but we can, because we don't have classes all the time, and as those days we don't have classes, you can concentrate on your internship and what's your daily your portfolio. Yeah. So that's it. This is where we are. So it's a team effort. It's a new industry. Initiative like creativity is welcome. To make this new career path and ecosystem a reality. So it's based on continuous improvement. Thank you. If you've got a question, I'm here for you. So Google Kelechi.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Please, I don't know if I heard you. I don't know if I heard clearly. You said we'll be reporting every Friday. I don't know if that's correct.
Yeah, when we set up this is a guide. All this is a guide. When our team is running, then we're going to fine tune what is achievable within the team.
Okay. Yeah. Because what I'm saying is some of us have classes on Friday.
So that's why I said it's based on continuous improvement and fine tuning. So,
okay, sir.
So, but we can move it forward or we can move it. It can be on our because we still have some lectures. So, but we can see what we can do. We can devote one of our lecture day for general meeting, and yeah, but that's why I said it's based on it's still open to refining, and we agreeing on how we're going to work. But all in all, our timeline remain intact. We need to finish everything we are doing within the next 1 month and jump into the market.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. Temi. Okay, I saw Temi raising hand. Okay, Magdalene.
Yes.
Okay, then Temi, I carry on if you are ready to speak now.
Good evening, Mr. Good evening, everyone. That
You're having network issue. Your network is poor.
Now.
No, I can't hear you very well. Okay, let's have Magdalene, maybe before you can come back to you, Magdalene.
Good evening, Sir Charles. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
My question is on the tools, and I think the tools you mentioned: Excel, SQL, and Power BI. Please, how can we use SQL, Power BI for this project? How is it connected? Please, I want to understand better.
Yeah, we can use it because we might be having data sets in Excel. So yeah, but as a data analyst coming into here, we'll make sure we capture some of the tools involved in data analysis. We'll see how we can use it in one way or the other. So all the tools here is not a must. We are going to use them, but likely tools we are going to use in one way or the other is captured here. As well as the work is unfolding, we are seeing how we are going to use it.
Okay, sir.
Like I said, we might be bringing more tools. So it's the way we expand, the way we continue to work, will determine what we are going to use and what we are not going to use. It's continuous refinement.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Ruth.
Hello, good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. Please, sir, I want to ask a question concerning, you talked about us doing constant posts on LinkedIn and all. So I want to know, should we at this point put in our, maybe in our experiences or part of our work that we are interning with ZikoraAI, and then as such, we start putting on posts or AI? That's what I want to know. Thank you.
Of course, if you are interning, if you want to showcase it on your status anywhere, nobody is objecting that. Of course, that's the purpose of internship. You get experience, reliable experience you can be proud of to showcase yourself out there for the potential. All this is to promote ourselves, promote the job role, and promote the industry. If we are promoting it, if people beginning to discover the need for AI prompt engineers, so we're becoming so hot. So it's our duty to promote it. So that's it. It's our duty to go out there to educate employers the need. So it's our our duty to organize summit, conference, invite employers and tell them why they should start hiring us ASAP. So it's our collective effort. It's a fresh, like I said, all of us here know that this is a green, is a virgin land. So that's why we are here at the right time. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right. So on our grouping, I give that assignment to Angela here. I want to have that report.
Yes, sir.
I want to have that list as soon as possible, because from tomorrow I want to see that list, and I'll start to do some work on that list. So we'll have clarity of whom we are working with and know if there is need for breaking or we're leaving it the way it is. So yeah, I need to see that list. If you have not filled the list, use this night to do it, because you can see the internship is very short. It's not like 4 months or 3 months. No, I don't want to keep anybody here longer than necessary. So if you are staying back, then it means you are staying back to work for ZikoraAI. That is the purpose.
Okay, sir.
So, and if we use the list and create a group, as you know, I am, it's always difficult for me to go back and work for you alone. So I'm a consultant. If you want me to go back and work for you alone, yeah, good and fine. You pay me. So while I'm working for the team, I want to work for the team. Anything I'm doing, I want to do it. But if you are big, that you don't have time to do things while others are doing it, be ready to pay for that express or extra services. Yeah. Okay, Temi, maybe you'll get a better service now.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Charles. Is it better now?
Yeah, so what happened?
Okay. Thank you. I said, good evening, everyone. I said the aspect that got me hooked in all of this is the flow-wise and the land chain aspect. I could recall that I think I spoke about it the last time too. So because as you recommended, I tried to look into it on my own, but I really do not get the usage. Like, I do not get how to use it. So I want to know that at what point in this internship are we going to really learn how to, use these flow-wise and the lang chain. So that those are my questions. Thank you.
If you paid attention, I said we have pockets of classes we need to revisit. I specifically talk about prompt chain tools like language chain, didn't I? I made a mention of it.
Oh, maybe my network must have
okay, so I made a mention of it so that we treat it well. And yeah, so even if we don't use it, it's key tools that we need to know about. Training, we can use ChatGPT Pro to do training as well. But as developers or prompt engineers, if you want to become a professional prompt engineer, then it's good to understand how to use these tools to do prompt training. Yeah. So we're going to touch base on that furthermore. So that's it.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Because the reason I asked was I had a recent interview where these two tools were mentioned. And okay, so I was just being honest with them, and I was
the
like, at
importance of tools. That's why it's captured here as well.
Okay. All right, thank you.
All right. We will try as much as we can to do the best we can. That's all I can promise. Yeah. So, that's it. So did you apply for the job, Temi? You say a job, you went for an interview or you saw an advert, a vacancy?
Okay, so I'm currently working as a PM. A PM is a job interview, but it's PM, like AI PM. So they are so concerned. The developers were the one who asked me, because it was a set of people that interviewed me, and it was their developers that were really keen on. They saw my post on LinkedIn, and they were really keen on the AI tools that I used. So, but I was just I was honest with them that at the moment that I use ChatGPT Pro, Google Gemini, those ones are the ones that I used. So I know they mentioned these Flowise and LangChain, and that's why I was really interested in knowing more of it. So,
You
but I'm still in the
work as
process
a
with them.
project manager.
A product manager. I'm working as a product manager.
All right, that's good. That's a good, a big money for you. Hope they are paying you well, because they pay product managers good money, both product managers and the product owners. And yeah, we equally have a boot camp on product management coming up soon. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Don't worry. We are here to learn. So everybody will learn and learn and learn and learn. And not just learning, but explore, make more money. So okay. The internship is open from now. So all we need to do is work towards achieving our aim in this internship. So I want to see groups. Once we have group list, we plan to have a group lead. Every group needs to have a lead based on their experience. So if we have project managers, then they are likely going to lead as PM. If we have BS, all of us are here engineers already. All of us are prompt engineers, so that's it. So I can't say who is going to until or the part, but know that we are going to this week is going to be structuring the team and having good leadership, onboarding at various platforms we are supposed to use. So all these things are going to be communicated via our platforms. And that's it. So thank you everyone for being here and your contribution so far to the AI community. So thank you, and I keep on encouraging all of us. Let's continue to develop this industry, AI industry. The more, let's keep adding values, contributing. Our prompt libraries we're building is going to be something that can help the whole global system of AI. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, thank you.